Now the next colligative property is depression in the freezing point. So first let me explain you what is freezing point. Freezing point, it is the point at which what happens, that the liquid substance is converted into solid. Okay? So that process is called freezing, or I can say that at the same temperature solid is converted into liquid. That process is called melting. That process is called melting, and conversion of the solid in conversion of the liquid into solid is called freezing. Okay? So for both the process the temperature is same. At the same temperature liquid is converted into solid, that is freezing, and solid is converted into liquid, that is called melting. Fine. So the temperature is same. So what happened actually at this temperature? At this freezing point or at this melting point, what happened actually? The vapor pressure at this temperature, actually the vapor pressure of the liquid, vapor pressure of liquid state is equals to the vapor pressure of its solid state. मतलब वेपर प्रेशर किसी एक पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन का लिक्विड स्टेट में और उसी एक सेम सॉल्यूशन का वेपर प्रेशर सॉलिड स्टेट में जब सेम हो जाता है, when the vapor pressure is same for a particular solution at in liquid and solid state becomes equal, that is called freezing or the melting point. ठीक है? Now what we have done, that in the solvent, हमने solvent में क्या किया, same condition that non-volatile solute हमने add कर दिया. Fine. So we are going with that only, that in the solvent non-volatile solute is added. So क्या हो रहा था हमारा non-volatile solute add करने से? Non-volatile solute add करने से हमने देखा था कि vapor pressure of solution decreases. Solution का vapor pressure क्या हो रहा था? Decrease हो रहा था. ठीक है? Okay, fine. Now see the graph. In this graph, x-axis temperature is there and on y-axis vapor pressure is there. Okay, fine. So the red line, you can see that the red line, it is the line for the solid state. मतलब इस लाइन को अगर कोई सोल्यूशन या सॉल्वेंट टच कर रहा है, मतलब वो उस पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे सॉलिड में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, वो मैं कह सकती हूँ वो इसका फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट है. सो सी द फर्स्ट upper line, that is for the liquid state of the solvent, that is for the A and the B. This A, B line, it is for the solvent. Okay, so as we am decreasing the temperature, this side I am moving, temperature decreases. So if I am moving this side, temperature is decrease, vapor pressure also decreases. Temperature decreases, vapor pressure also decreases, and this line finally touches the solid state at this point. ठीक है, इस पॉइंट पे टच किया, मैंने नीचे इसका ले जाकर देखा कि टेम्परेचर क्या है. सो दिस इज द टेम्परेचर, और ये टेम्परेचर पे क्या हुआ, दिस सॉल्वेंट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू सॉलिड, मींस दिस इज व्हाट, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट. तो मैंने नीचे जाके लिखा T नॉट F बिकॉज इट इज प्योर सॉल्वेंट. तो T नॉट F, इट इज द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट. ठीक है, it is the freezing point of the solvent. Now the next line you see for the this one, that D and E, this is E point, D and E point, you see this is the line for the graph of solution. So as we are decreasing the temperature, we are moving in this way, we are decreasing the temperature and it touches the solidification graph at this point. इसको नीचे ले जाकर देखा, so this is the temperature at which this solution converted into the solid, that this is the freezing point of the solution. So अब इस solution में क्या ऐसे था, in this solution actually non-volatile solute present था. तो with the addition of the non-volatile solute, vapor pressure decreases. ठीक है, here I explained that vapor pressure decreases. That is why solution line starts below the solvent. Solvent का vapor pressure पहले ज्यादा था, सॉल्यूशन का वेपर प्रेशर नीचे था और ये इस तरीके का ग्राफ चल रहा था. So we can see from the graph that the freezing point of the solution is lower than the freezing point of the solvent. T naught F is higher than TF. ठीक है. So this is what your depression in the freezing point. ये चीज क्या है? Depression in the freezing point. ना इन दोनों के बीच में मैंने डिफरेंस निकाला, तो इन दोनों के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है डेल्टा TF है. This is what डेल्टा TF. तो डेल्टा TF इक्वल्स टू क्या? T नॉट F माइनस TF. ये निकला हमारा डेल्टा TF. दैट इज कॉल्ड डिप्रेशन इन द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट. अब ये फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट में कितना डिक्रीज हो रहा है, डिप्रेशन इन द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ये कितना हो रहा है, दिस डेल्टा TF is proportional to decrease in the vapor pressure. ठीक है, as we have seen in case of elevation in the boiling point, it is proportional to delta P, that is how much decrease in the vapor pressure. And how much decrease in the vapor pressure, that is proportional to what? Amount of the solute added, that is XB. XB is what? Mole fraction of the solute. Now the proportionality sign is removed and we can write down delta TF equals to KXB equals to KFB. This is what? Depression in the freezing point is equals to, with the constant, it is equals to the amount of the non-volatile solute added in the solution. So now we will see that how to derive the delta TF and prove that it's a colligative property. So with this only we can say that as it depends upon the number of the particles of the solute, so we can say that decrease, that is depression in the freezing point, it's a colligative property. And same for the elevation in the boiling point also, you can see in the derivation that delta TB is proportional to XB. XB is what? Number of the moles of the solute upon total number of the moles of the solution. It means again it is proved that it's a colligative property as it depends upon the number of the solute particle. And what we have seen in the definition of the colligative property, that colligative properties are those properties which depends upon the number of the solute particle present in the ideal or dilute solution. Now the students, after the graph of depression in the freezing point. Depression in the freezing point is again the third colligative property. So we have seen in the graph of the freezing point depression that with the addition of non-volatile solute, what? With the addition of the non-volatile solute in the solution, freezing point decreases. Okay, fine. Because vapor pressure also decreases. So whatever the decrease in the temperature from the graph, okay, whatever the decrease in the temperature, that is denoted delta TF. That is depression in the freezing point is proportional to the decrease in the pressure, like elevation in the boiling point. And this decrease in the pressure is due to the presence of non-volatile solute. And non-volatile solute mole fraction is denoted by XB. This whole complete derivation is same as elevation in the boiling point. So it is very easy students to remember. ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही चलता है जैसे एलिवेशन इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में था. द डिफरेंस इज दैट हम वहां पे डेल्टा TB लिख रहे थे और यहाँ पर अब हम लिखेंगे डेल्टा TF. रेस्ट इज सिंपली सेम एज एलिवेशन इन द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. So delta TF proportional to mole fraction of the non-volatile solute, that is XB. ठीक है, so delta TF equals to K, proportionality sign is removed, constant K, NB upon NA plus NB, fine. Then delta TF equals to NB upon NA, because NB is very less, so we can neglect this term, fine. So now NB expanded, that is WB upon MB, WA upon MA. ठीक है. Now you write down WB WB upon WA, and this MB will come down and MA will go on numerator. So this value is equivalent to molality and MA is written here. ठीक है, molality. Then what? This K is constant, molality is also okay. This K is constant, molality is small m, and MA. MA, it is the mass of the solvent. If the mass of the solvent is, molecular mass of the solvent. And if we know the solvent is, for example, water, then its molecular mass is 18. It is constant. So this value is constant, this value is constant. So in place of K and MA, we can write down one more constant, that is KF. And KF is what? It is depression in the freezing point constant, or it is known as cryoscopic constant. It is known as cryoscopic constant. Cryoscopic constant KF is known as, or it is also known as depression in the freezing point constant. ठीक है? So now how we will define? Just see the definition. It is what? Depression in the freezing point temperature. ठीक है? बिल्कुल ये temperature है ये. ठीक है? Depression in the freezing point constant for 1 molar solution. मतलब अगर मैं molality 1 कर दूं, क्या 1 मोलर सोल्यूशन कर दूं, तो क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? डेल्टा TF will become equals to what? KF. And now this is the definition of the KF. Depression in the freezing point temperature for 1 molar solution, or depression in the freezing point for solution containing 1 mole of solute in 1 kg of the solvent. This is what the definition of the molality. Now the unit for the KF same as KB, degree per molality, centigrade per molality, Kelvin per molality, Kelvin kg per mole. So this is, as I said earlier also, varies, okay, it's similar to delta TB. Okay, so next video I am going to share very soon. Thank you.